Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Silmi and my friend
Dika Satrio
And Alga Octaviana Minanda. Once again is cameraman Raden Rayu Pega.
Okay guys, we will have to buy something for our review later. Come on guys, let's go. Dadah.
Drink coffee, I'll take tea, my dear. I like my toast done on one side, and you can hear it in my accent when I talk. I'm an Englishman in New York. You see me walking down Fifth Avenue, a walking cane here at my side. I take it everywhere I walk. An Englishman in New York. Whoa, I'm an alien. I'm a legal alien. I'm an English.
Hello guys, we are now the outlet Ayam Geprek Pangeran. We want to buy Ayam Geprek Pangeran for us a review. Okay? Come on, let's go.
I'm a legal alien. I'm an Englishman in New York. Whoa, I'm an alien. I'm a legal alien. I'm an Englishman in New York.
So guys, we are waiting for order to about 10 minutes. Okay.
I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Hercules and his gifts, and Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list. But she said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts.
I ordered chicken crispy with topping mozzarella and chicken crispy with chicken sauce.
I
Dadah.
want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this.
Hello, we are ready work and Ayam Geprek. We will review this food. And okay guys, before we eat, we try first, okay? Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
In my opinion, the food was quite tasty and made me full. But unfortunately, the sauce is very spicy, not sweet for health. It's better if you buy Ayam Geprek. The sauce is better because the sauce can make stomach ache. Okay, bye, see you guys, thank you, bye.
The tasty of Ayam Geprek Pangeran. Tasty and delicious, but because I don't really like spicy chicken, the geprek is not recommended. Okay guys, see you next time.
In my opinion, it tastes quite good nutritionality, and the aroma of the sauce has a fragrance, not too strong, as the whole starting from the service of the employee to packaging is very good. Overall, everything is good, and I recommended his ayam geprek Pangeran for you. Okay, thank you guys. You. Look.
Alright, okay guys. In my opinion, mozzarella chicken from Geprek Pangeran is very delicious, and then the cheese melt in the mouth. About chicken piece are very small.
Siap.